Hello everybody, this is Camby Yoshi, and I am going to be showing you a tip of how to make money really quickly in Harvest Moon. And it's especially good for those times when you're in winter and you can't grow any crops to get money and get ready for the next season. So yeah, just gonna let this load. Oh, I've never seen this loading thing before. So yeah, just go skip ahead if you want to. Um, uh, that's better. Okay. Um, so yeah, here's a tip about how to make money quickly. So first, um, you're gonna want to have your basket with you, and then you're gonna want to go all the way over here, go up here, and go into the mine. This is my personal way of how making money really quickly. So you're gonna want to put it in the corner, and then you're just gonna want to mine away. Just get some items. And tip here, if you by accidentally forget um your basket when you go down a level, do not worry at all. Just go back up and then just start mining, annoying everything until you get back to the level that you were on before. Of course, everything respawns. There's everything to new areas. They'll be on the floor that you left off. They say you were on floor 6 and then by accidentally you went down on floor 7 without your basket. It's just going to want to go all the way back up and um, go back into the mine. And plus also, you're going to want to watch your characters, how your character's doing in strength. Darn it. Wait. Yeah, but because like you could like lose a lot of items just for forgetting everything. But mainly you're gonna want to get down to the bottom as quickly as possible because there are more better materials are down there, and yeah, and plus also every single time you collect money, you get you get or money back. You get 10 gold, like 10 gold and dollar money wise. So yeah, um, yeah, we're already doing pretty good. Okay, so it's full, I think. So okay, keep on mining. Okay, so we found the exit, and soon enough you'll have a whole lot of money from just doing this. Of course, do not collect junker. Wow, that's pretty good. Yeah, and if you get money really quick, like one time I filled up my basics 2 times from doing this, and then I ended up getting like 50, 50,000 or $50,000 from just one day of doing farming. Of course, it starts off slow when you only have your one basket. Yeah, but the basket eventually gets filled up. And No, I do not want to forget this. Anyways, well, thank you for watching. See you next time. And, yeah.